What's up, guys? Welcome to another day of Hella Stance. What we're doing today, we are helping Larry out with his CRV. We are lifting it. We are putting alarm on it, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button because we're going to get this thing all pimped out. So far, we got the lift for it, the 3-inch lift in the front with a 2.5 in the back. We got the rims for it already. We're rocking those, and we have the alarm for it. So we're gonna teach you guys how to install the alarm on a CRV. Make sure you stay tuned. All right, we got a cheap $30 alarm from Amazon. Usually they give you something like this. So obviously it's pretty simple. You connect that to a shock sensor. We connect that to the left of the shock sensor, and then on that side, the valley switch we already have is all right here. We got the lights right here. See the LED lights? So the LED lights is right here on 4 and 5. So we're gonna have to connect it. So to 4 and 5. And so it's pretty simple. So all you really need to do is, all we need to do is one for the ground. We have to do one for the ground. We do a ground. This is for ground. We go siren. Of course, we need the siren. We need the battery. If you want to connect it to your positive to your tail lights, you could do that too, with all your lights and everything. We're not gonna do that, so we're gonna skip that. You want to do a relay switch. You want to cut the wires into your relay so they can't start your car. You could do that too. I think we're gonna hold back on that one too. Maybe we might do this. This we need for sure. We need all of that. Window output, brake switch, output, door trigger, input. We're gonna use 8 for sure. Door trigger, because what happened is if you don't use the door trigger, what happened is this either positive or negative goes into it, and what happened is the alarm will keep on, when you unlock it, it will keep on going on. So it needs a door trigger for the driver's side door, so it could leave it off. So that's a guaranteed must. We need that. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch it. We're gonna put it to the stock alarm. And the stock alarm, of course, we're using reverse polarity. So we're using actually this one right here. So if you notice, our stock alarm has 3 wires to it. So, and usually the one in the middle is black, and the other 2 right here is reverse polarity, meaning positive will go in here and negative will go in here. And if you want to lock it, a negative will go in here and positive go here. See, so that's what it means by reverse polarity. So that's what we're gonna use. So we're gonna use that. So with that said, this diagram gave us a whole diagram of what we need. We need to hook up the 16 to unlock wire, to an unlock wire. Then we have to ground this, ground. And then we have to connect this wire to our lock wire. And then we have to use the 14 for ground. So what that does is it will do the reverse polarity for us. So we need to use 13, 14, 16, and 17. So 13, 14, 16, and 17. If you connect all of these, just these wires alone, your alarm will be perfectly working. That's all you probably need to connect. And we're gonna get to connecting all of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wires right here. We're not gonna use this. I don't think we're gonna use this. We'll probably install it later on. Might not use that. Relay. I feel like I don't need this because we already have a kill switch already on this car, so we don't really need this. So this is just an alarm. We are using this for sure. It's all here. It's all connected. So we're definitely using this. And this is your door trigger. So either you do a jumper 1 or a jumper 2. This is a jumper. So we want to jump it to, so CRVs use negative from the door. So it's connected to the door. And if you open the door, of course, it's negative. So we're using that one. So we're going to jump it with that one. So that's all you need for this diagram. I'll make it more simpler for you guys, just putting it into perspective. This is pretty easy to do too, but you need a relay. Since we don't have a relay, I don't think we're gonna use that, and we already did another relay, and we already did that already. So you guys could search how to do a relay cutoff switch. It's pretty easy, same thing. This is output. So so you do an output, and this is a negative output. So you just do a relay for it, you know, positive, negative, and once that positive and negative touch each other, like this will go here, and then the positive you just connect to a straight positive. So once it connects, this is the wire from here, and then once it connects, once your alarm connect, it will jump this, and this will go all the way to the starter. So just letting you guys know, that's how that works if the starter is activated. All right, let's get to it.
Too late.
All right, guys, so we installed it. So we set the door trigger to the jump 1 door trigger because all of our stuff is in negative. How do we jump that? Usually they tell you to jump it, and usually is in here. Usually is in here to jump it, and you just pop it out, like pop the whole thing out. You just want to make sure it's in the negative position because we are doing a lot of, the door is negative. So what I mean by the door is this is the door right here. So every time this push in, it touches the negative. So when it pops out like that, that's negative. So all 4 doors. So we see this jumper right here. See, and okay, look at this. Look at this. See, it says door. You jump it from the top instead of the bottom. So that's what we did. We jumped it from the top. All right. Then you put this back. And after that, you put this back, right? And now let's start with the lock. So we're gonna use the stock lock. So we're gonna have to ground 17 and ground 14. So 14, so we're doing it from here. Negative trigger, we're doing it from here. So ground, so what we did was we ground that. So we ground these 2 wires right here, right? And then our other one are what was it? Let's see, 13 and 16. 13 is white and green lock, and then 16 is white and black unlock. So once we ground this is on the bottom of it. Once we ground these 2 with all our ground right here, we kind of put the unlock over here. We'll show you where's the unlock button right now. So I'm going to show you where's the unlock at on the CRV. All right, to get your unlock, it's over here, guys. So that is your unlock right there. So this is your lock right here. This, the one I'm pulling, it is color green and white. Sorry about us burning it. We were testing it out. So it's the green and white, green with white stripe.
That's for lock.
That's for lock, and it goes to this little pin right here. So it connects to this little pin, goes up, and we rather do it from there instead of all the way from here, but you guys could do it from here too. So this is lock right here. So right there, if you guys see it, it is this one right here. So it is the green and white line. Now to unlock, it's the same thing, right next, almost next to it. It is that one. It's the orange. It's the orange with green stripes. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. It's the orange with green stripe right there. Oh shoot, I disconnected it, but it's right there. Orange with green stripe. So that's the unlock and lock, guys. So now we are doing our trunk. So this is our trunk. So usually this is really easy. It's with the trunk switch. You see how there's 2 yellow wires? All you have to do is just take one wire, one of the yellows. There's green and the yellow. One of these yellow, you could just connect to one of these yellow, and that is our trunk unlock right here. So this is our trunk. See, trunk, it even says trunk. Unlock is yellow. So this is our unlock for our trunk. Now for the important one, we need to look for our door trigger unit, our door trigger input, and we already did the switch. We already did the jumper for it for negative, because you know, so it's a number 8. So our blue wire, negative, positive, that will tell the alarm to that someone opened the door, and it will disable the alarm. So that's really important. So this is our blue wire. Our blue wire runs to the door. So you're looking for the wires that come to all these doors, and it's right here. It's on the side kick panel right here for the door trigger, and it's the light green with red. See that one right there? The light green and red, that one right there. So that is our door trigger. So make sure you connect that to your door trigger, and you should be good. Now we are connecting your accessories, 12-volt input. So number 9 is our white one. So this white one right here goes to, bam, this white one with black stripe. This is our accessories, guys. ACC right here, accessories. Bam, connected that one. And we already did the trunk, and we could do a switch for our starter, but we don't want to do it because we already made a kill switch already. Sometimes the one reason why I don't like doing the kill switch, and you could do it from here, usually people cut the wires from here, this one right here. This is the starter right here. So usually people do it from there, but I don't like cutting this because if the alarm fails, you're just gonna get stuck. So I don't like doing that. If you guys want to do that, you guys could chop this, put this on the relay. They give you a whole instruction on how to do it right here on the relay. So this is probably what we're gonna use right here to convert a negative into a positive output. That's what we need, because on the alarm, on our alarm, it shoots a negative. So negative to positive, yes, that's what we want to do. But we're not going to do that today because we already did a kill switch for it. So you guys could look that up, how to connect a relay. It's pretty easy. In the ground, this is the power, guys. I got this onto a speaker wire. I don't know what number speaker wire this is, but we got this power. And what you do is you put this power through here, through this little hole right here. So right there, so you see that right here? There it goes. Plug it in, and bam, that's your power. And your ground, this is our ground. This is our ground right here. Connect it to our ground for our, so this ground right here, see the black wire right here? This is our ground for the alarm, and these two right here is the ground for our locks. We have to ground them. So I put them all into one and made it into one wire, and then turn it into this, and we're gonna ground this probably on the number 10 somewhere right here. Somewhere right, I think I'll probably do one right there. Probably put one right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it right there. All right, guys, so we're done. So let's see if unlock works. Unlock works, then lock, and then we got the trunk. Let's see if the trunk works. The trunk, perfect, cool. And now either you guys want to connect the, so make sure you guys connect the siren. We didn't connect the siren yet because we don't want to bug our neighbors. So we're gonna connect the siren, and everything is working perfect. So we did our lights. So this light, if we think about it, they give us a switch that's way bigger than the light. So you see it, bigger than the light. So what we did was we drilled a hole for a switch, and we just cut the wires here, and we're gonna solder it. Cut the wires here, and we're gonna solder it. Yep. And that's Larry with the soldering.
Oh, fuck, that's hot.
Ooh. Ooh. Oops. Oops.
It's not safe for your holding.
Oh, it's hot. Yeah, it isn't safe. And always wear glasses, and always wear glasses, and make sure your partner doesn't burn you. So we decided to use the lights because it has a fuse on here. So These one, the two of them, they give you two. So it is, just letting you guys know, it is above here, above this fuse box. It is a
Red, black, with silver dots.
yeah, it's a red wire with black line with silver dots, and that is your parking lights. So just connect your parking lights on there, and you should be okay. So that's what we connected to. So look. Cool. All right, guys, we are done with the alarm. So this is how the car looks like. We raised it up and we did the alarm. So I'm showing you guys that we did the alarm. So this is unlock right here. So if you guys follow my directions, this is unlock. This is lock, unlock. And from the trunk, there you go. There you go. Trunk is open, of course. See, that's the one cool feature I like about this. The trunk. Unlock, lock, unlock. So we connect the horn to here. If you don't know how to connect the horn, all you have to do for the horn is put one to ground and this wire right here run to the horn wire. And that's about it. I think we're done. All right.
All right, guys, like and subscribe for more CRV content in the future, and put down in the comments below what you think we should do next on the CRV build. Thanks for watching.